We are here at Creature Comforts at Animal Kingdom. It is right outside of Africa. Not for sure where it's located in the park. We are here to see if they have anything Valentine's themed. Good morning. And they do. They have zebra stripe hearts Valentine cupcake. All right, so Creature Comfort had two cupcakes. This is a zebra cupcake and this is a brownie with chocolate mousse cupcake, and they were both $5.99 each. And you can just grab them when you get to that spot in line, so it actually moved pretty quickly. I just point that out because at the Starbucks in Magic Kingdom, you usually have to wait for them to get it behind the counter, and even though if you order just the cupcakes, it can take a while, this was super quick here. All right, so here we go outside of the dome. This is beautiful. I think they did a great job. This is a brownie bottom chocolate mousse. This looks like this is a chocolate cupcake too. Robert, can you like remove the wrap? Do you think it's a cup or a wrapper? Let's see if Robert can.
What would you want?
I want to take this yellow off to see.
Do that.
Is it a cup or a wrapper? It's probably a cup. We're gonna leave it in it then. We're gonna eat this one first, so you can. They call it a zebra cupcake, so I don't know if it's because the heart is zebra or because it's a combination of white cake and chocolate cake.
I would imagine that's the case.
Oh man, that looks beautiful. Oh, and it's got heart confetti.
There you go.
Heart, that's beautiful. All right. I'm gonna use the spoon, honey. You can use the fork. Oh, they froze the icing.
Froze the ice cream?
The icing.
Oh, icing?
The icing is frozen. Okay, so it is just a chocolate cupcake. It's a good chocolate cupcake. I'm disappointed that the icing is frozen, but I'm not surprised. Pretty much all of Disney's cupcakes are frozen.
Look at this. It's funny. If you look at the Christmas version.
Oh my God. It's the same cupcake, but instead of snowflake crystals, we got heart ones. That's too funny.
I like it.
It's good though. I have nothing against Disney cupcakes. I love Disney cupcakes. And then I'm assuming this is just white chocolate. Yep, that's white chocolate. Really, really good. I'm assuming this is chocolate. Really good too. I love their chocolate. So yeah, definitely recommend these if you're looking for Valentine themed treats. Well, this was a delightful surprise. There is cherry in the middle.
Delightful surprise.
It was. I wasn't expecting it. Are you making fun of me, Robert? You can. He's my husband. Oh my God.
Oh
my God. I'm just going to eat the middle out. You don't get any cherry, Robert, because you laughed at me.
No, I'm taking my share.
Take your fair share.
That's mine.
Oh my God, that's so good. I'm pretty sure it's just canned cherry filling, but I don't care. That's awesome.
Considering it's 20 degrees out here.
I'm going to try that. I am going to stuff a cupcake with canned cherry filling. This is so good. All right, this mousse on top, I swear the thing said it was chocolate, but I don't know what it is. It's delicious. I swear it has a cherry. I think it has a cherry tint to it. And then the bottom is supposed to be brownie. It is pretty thick. Yeah, I would say that's brownie. Thicker than cake. I can't even.
I don't think there's a cherry in that thing.
Maybe. Can you put cherry in the middle of a brownie?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's definitely brownie.
It's kinda thick.
It's super thick. It's still chewy. It's nice and chewy. That's a good brownie.
Brownie chewy is good.
I'll eat the ear. All right, you try it. You taste this mousse and tell me what you think is flavored.
Well, I don't know.
I know, it's a little confusing. It doesn't taste chocolate.
Mm-mm. How you doing? Good, how are you?
I'm gonna say it's cherry flavored.
Very light cherry.
Very light cherry flavor.
Yeah.
So good.
Could be strawberry.
Could be strawberry.
Well, I'm gonna go to the reference manual here.
I think that kid needs a brownie. Cheer him up.
I don't know.
All right, right, another Valentine treat is at this. It's out the bus outside of Expedition Everest. You get the Valentines soft serve. Hi. All right, for whatever reason, the lady flipped it into a cup. I did not ask for that. I didn't really want it like that, but that's fine. Kind of disappointing, but you saw the picture earlier. What was this, $4.99?
$4.99.
And
You
it's
can try and take it out, but I don't think anything good's gonna come from it. Yeah, it's not.
okay,
Oh,
there.
That's okay.
There we go. I don't need it in a cup. It's not melting. It's too cold to melt. Oh my god, hold that.
Yeah.
This is good. This is strawberry ice cream.
It is good. We will need that cup at some point, though. Oh my god. You got ice cream all over your
It's
face.
so cold, but it's still so good.
You got, wipe your face off.
It's like the best strawberry ice cream I've ever had.
Okay, just stop. You got it over your chin. For God's sakes. 2-year-old.
It's good. It's 40 degrees out and I'm eating ice cream, but it's so good. Here you go, honey.
Thanks.
We're gonna have some more on my face. All right, we are here at Dino Bites. Here is another Valentine-themed ice cream sandwich. Iced strawberry ice cream rolled in heart-shaped sprinkles between 2 chocolate chip cookies for $6.99. I'm not gonna buy it. We've already had ice cream and it really doesn't sound that too good to me, but if you like ice cream sandwiches, this is Dino Bites in Dinosaur Land. All right, Flame Tree BBQ has a Valentine-themed cupcake, so we're gonna go ahead and order that. I didn't get the ice cream sandwich because we already had ice cream, but you know what? I can definitely eat another cupcake. All right, this is the Flame Tree BBQ cupcake. Do you remember if it's white or chocolate? And it has a little chocolate of Simba and Nala. And then it looks delicious. A whole bunch of green icing. Let's see. And that icing is frozen, but that's fine. I'm sure it's gonna be good. We also ordered a hot chocolate because it's cold, very cold here today. It is February 2nd, 2021, and it is like 40 degrees. All right, we're here taking our third snack break. We just cannot resist Valentine's themed items. So this is a Valentine themed cupcake, and then we also got a hot chocolate. So this is chocolate cake with ganache filling. All right, so there it is outside of its cup. They bake them in cups. And, okay, it's so hard. It's supposed to have a ganache filling, and there it is. It does. And it's top heavy.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You killed it.
I killed it. That's a good cupcake. Disney knows how to do cupcakes.